Digital notebook sales are booming on Etsy, and many sellers are generating impressive income with them. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 proven ways to sell digital notebooks successfully. Make sure to watch till the end. You don't want to miss the key strategy. So, let's get started. To begin, I will first set the artboard size. For a digital notebook, I will use 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Once the Canva editor opens, I will name the document. Now we can start designing the notebook. First, I will design the cover page of the digital notebook. Go to the Elements tab in the side menu and search for Floral Pattern. Select Graphics, where you will find a variety of floral patterns to choose from. There's a huge library available, so you can choose any design you like. For my design, I already have a floral pattern, so I will select it from Uploads and place it properly on the artboard. Next, I will create a name label on the notebook cover. Add a rectangle and position it where you want the label to appear. Change the rectangle color to white. After that, add an outline to the rectangle and adjust the outline color. Once this is done, we will add the title text on top of it. Select a heading text and title it Notebook. You can write anything according to your preference. Since the default font doesn't look good, I will change it to the Hellemum font. Below the title, I will add a few lines for writing a name or other details. The lines appear a little thick, so I will reduce its thickness. After creating the name label, the cover design is complete. Next, I will create the writing pages for the notebook. First, create a new page and add a horizontal line. Hold the Shift key and drag the line across the page. If the line looks too thick, decrease the line width. Now duplicate the line evenly across the page to create ruled lines. This creates a basic ruled page, but I will enhance the design by adding a few decorative elements. Go to the Elements tab and search for Floral. Choose a floral element you like and add it to the page. Place it neatly at the bottom of the page. If the color does not match the design theme, adjust it accordingly. Next, align the surrounding lines for a clean and cohesive look. After that, I will add another floral element at the top of the page to make it more attractive. Place it properly and adjust the color to match the overall design. Now the writing page of the notebook is complete. Next, go to the bottom panel and select Grid View. Duplicate the pages based on the desired notebook size. You can right-click and select Duplicate or use the duplicate option from the menu. I will create a 50-page notebook. Out of these, I will keep 49 ruled pages and add 1 blank page. Now create the back cover of the notebook. You can keep it a solid color or use the same floral design as the front cover. Once the back cover is created, the digital notebook is complete. Similarly, you can create multiple notebook designs and bundle them together in different styles. After completing the notebook design, the next step is to create a template link so you can sell it on Etsy. To do this, go to the Share tab in the top right corner. Before creating the template link, change the access level to anyone with the link. Then generate the template link. Once the template link is created, copy it and paste it into the thank you page that you provide to your Etsy customers. If you want to learn how to create this thank you page, watch my video where I explain how to create a thank you page and share download files with Etsy customers. After adding the download link to your file, share it with your buyers. You can also share a direct PDF download link instead of a Canva template link if you only want to provide the digital notebook as a finished product. After downloading the PDF, test your link to make sure it works properly. When a customer clicks the button, the link will open and they can select the Edit File option to customize the notebook. And that's it. This is how you can create a digital notebook and sell it as a printable digital product or Canva template on Etsy and earn a great income.